In this video, you'll learn how to unlink your Facebook account from Mailchimp. This process involves several straightforward steps that will guide you through the Mailchimp interface to successfully disconnect your account. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL in your browser. Once the page loads, ensure you're on the main dashboard where you can see your account information and various options. Next, locate the integrations option on the left-hand side menu. Click on this option to access all the integrations associated with your Mailchimp account. After selecting integrations, you will see a list of connected services, including Facebook. After that, find the Manage button, which is typically located towards the top of the integrations page. Clicking Manage will allow you to view and edit your connected accounts. You should now see a section dedicated to your linked Facebook account. Once this appears, look for a drop-down menu that shows your connected accounts. Click on this menu to reveal options related to your Facebook integration. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the disconnect option. Now click on the disconnect option that appears in the drop-down list. This action will initiate the process of unlinking your Facebook account from Mailchimp. You may see a confirmation message indicating that you are about to disconnect the integration. Next, you will need to confirm your decision by clicking on Disconnect again. This step ensures that you are intentionally stopping the synchronization of data from Facebook to Mailchimp. It is important to note that this will not affect any data already stored in your Facebook account. Finally, click on Disconnect once more to finalize the process. After this action, you should receive a notification has been successfully unlinked from Mailchimp. Ensure you check your integrations list to verify that the Facebook account is no longer listed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.